Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please consider unsubscribing. I would love to have you all over here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try to make an African dish. I've been seeing this flowing around on YouTube and TikTok, so I'm going to try my best to make this. I guess they call it egg soup. So I'm going to they normally serve it for breakfast, but I guess you can have it anytime throughout the day. So I have eggs here, I have tomatoes, I have a sweet yellow onion, and then I also have a red onion. I just may go ahead and just cut up my red onion just to get rid of it. And then I have some mixed vegetables because I'm not going to be cutting up any vegetables. So this bag consists of carrots, green beans, green peas, and corn. So I have mixed vegetables here. And then I have some baby spinach, which I am going to cut up and add within the ingredients. So, alright, I'm going to cut up this onion. Let me just get everything prepared and I will be right back. Okay, I have my tomatoes, onion cut up, and then I cut up my spinach. And I'm going to whip up my eggs before I pour. And after all that, I'm going to add in my mixed vegetables. And I forgot to show you all, I do have some red palm oil. So let me go ahead and pour my onions and tomatoes in my pot. And I also used vegetable oil. So I've used vegetable oil. I'm going to let that cook down. I didn't know how much to pour in the pot, but I poured enough in order to fry up my tomatoes and onion. So I'm going to let that cook down, and I shall return. And I'm going to also add in some minced garlic. Okay, this is all I have, so add that in there. Okay, let's pour in the eggs. I already whipped it, beat it. If I'm doing this wrong, you guys, just let me know what I'm doing wrong. But I'm hoping I'm doing this right. Okay. Got the eggs in there. Then I'm going to add my vegetables so it can cook, you know, together. But I'm sure it's going to be good. In there. Then I'm going to add my spinach. It didn't call for spinach, but they had some type of green leafy, you know, ingredient. So I'm going to use spinach. Okay, I'm going to pour some of my red palm oil in it. It's solid because my house was, you know, been cold. So I'm about to use that much. Then I'm going to add salt and pepper. Pepper. Salt. Pink salt. Then y'all, I'm going to add some of this accent seasoning to wake up the flavor. And that is it. I'm going to let it cook. And I will be right back. Okay, in the meantime, I'm getting ready to fry up some plantains, okay? I already done added my oil, so I'm going to cut it up and place them in the oil. These are my plantains, and y'all, they taste like bananas. They taste like bananas. I even made banana pudding using plantains only, no bananas. I think I did a video on it years ago. So I'm gonna fry these up. I don't want them sticking to the pots. This is one of my old frying pots. I shall return. No, you can't see from all the steam, so it's done. So this is how it's looking. Let me plate it. Okay, y'all, this is how it's looking. My plantains and my egg soup, I believe that's what they call it. I was tempting to make this, so I mean, they was eating it like it was so good. I guess it is good because it's their African dish. But it does look good, y'all. And they normally eat it with their hands, but since it's being hot, I'm going to use a fork just to taste it. Okay, I'm going to use one of the plantains and I'm going to give it a taste. Cool it off. It's good, and it almost tastes like an omelet. You might well say that it is an egg omelet, but scrambled or chopped up. It's good, y'all, especially with the plantains. But like I said, it tastes like bananas. They normally have this for breakfast, but you can eat it any time of the day. Okay? Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not, done so. Please hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. But just thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one.